For this problem, we are told that numerous scientific studies indicate that calcium is an essential mineral for the formation and maintenance of strong, healthy bones. An inadequate supply of calcium in the diet is broadly believed to contribute to weak, porous bones, increasing the risk of a hip fracture, especially in the elderly. We're told that calcium can be obtained from several sources, including soybeans, leafy green vegetables, and dairy products. We're given the scatter plot and superimposed regression line depicting the relationship between the annual incidence rate of hip fracture and the annual rate of dairy consumption for a sample of 40 nations. The regression analysis reveals a highly significant positive linear correlation between the variables. We have R is 0.852. Then we're asked to select the plausible explanation of the relationship between the incidence of hip fracture and the rate of dairy consumption, depicted in the scatter plot. So, one would be that there is at least one